Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Crunch membership.
Hello everybody.
Now, before I begin with this video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, is there a fee to cancel membership? No, but again, you paid your last month upfront, so you still get to use the gym. So, if you want to cancel it, you can do this. So, you can do it online, because this doesn't always work. You can email them in person or use the Scribe app. Now, of course, you can do it online, but as mentioned, it doesn't always work. The best bet is just to email them, and you can provide a message something like this, or just go to the local Crunch gym and it will take you anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes to cancel it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.